Hi there, welcome to the Integrated Webworks podcast. My name is Pathik, and today's episode, we're going to dive into a topic that can either make or break your business, customer review. We live in a digital age where customers have more power than ever before. With just few taps on their smartphones, they can share their experience with your business to the entire world to see. Positive reviews can be game changers, boosting your reputation, attracting new customers, fostering loyalty. However, negative reviews can be equally powerful, causing damage to your brand and driving potential customers away. Let's start with the positive side of the review first. Positive review acts as social proof, assuring potential customers that others have had a great experience with your products or services. They build trust, credibility, creating a vicious cycle where satisfied customers bring more customers. But let's face it, customers who are less satisfied with your services or the products are more likely to go post negative reviews than customers who are happy with your offerings. So encourage customers to leave reviews. Respond to them with gratitude. Showcasing positive feedback on your website, social media platform can help leverage these reviews to your advantage. On the flip side, negative reviews can be a tough pill to swallow. No business is perfect, and it's normal to receive negative feedback occasionally. The key is to handle these reviews with grace and professionalism. Always respond promptly, acknowledge the customer concerns, and offer a solution. Remember, potential customers are watching how you handle the situation. Turning a dissatisfied customer into a happy one can have a tremendous positive impact on your reputation. It's crucial to monitor and manage your online reputation. There are various tools and platforms that can help you keep track of customer reviews, feedback, and comments. Make sure to pay attention to the patterns in the feedback you receive. If you notice recurring issues, it may be time to make changes to your products or services to address these concerns. That might be a real concern there. Another critical aspect of your customer review is search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine often prioritizes business with a high number of positive reviews. This means that the positive reviews can boost your online visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find you. At the same time, negative reviews can push your business down in search engine, making it harder to be found. To encourage more positive reviews, consider implementing a customer review program. Offer incentives for leaving reviews, such as discounts or exclusive access to new products or services. But remember, never pay for fake positive reviews or encourage unethical practices. Authenticity is crucial. Customer reviews, like I said, are double-edged swords for your business. They can either elevate your reputation and bring more customers, or they can harm your brand and deter potential clients. Embrace customer feedback as an opportunity to improve your business continuously. Treat every review, positive or negative, as valued insight to help you grow. Thanks for joining us today on Integrated Webworks podcast. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, please leave us a positive review for your Integrated Webworks. And remember, your feedback is essential to help me improve what we talk about here. If you have any topics you'd like me to cover in the future episode, feel free to reach out. Until then, this is Pathik Shah signing off. Take care and happy marketing.